In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity status on LinkedIn. This is a handy tip if you want to maintain more privacy while navigating the platform, ensuring that others cannot see when you're online. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to go through the sign-in process. Here you have a few options. You can choose to sign in using Google, Apple, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, keep in mind you might be prompted to verify your login. This will typically involve receiving a code on your phone that you need to enter to proceed. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're on your profile page, look towards the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores all your account preferences, and it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section for managing other privacy preferences as well. With Settings and Privacy open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll spot an option labeled Visibility. Go ahead and click it. This section is key for controlling who can see your LinkedIn activity and how you appear to others. Under Visibility of your LinkedIn activity, you'll find an option that reads Manage Active Status. Click on it and it will present you with different privacy settings regarding your online status. Now, if you prefer complete anonymity while browsing, choose the option that says No One. Selecting this option ensures that your connections and others on LinkedIn won't know when you're online. It's as simple as that. Your active status will now be hidden. However, do keep a small detail in mind. By turning off your active status, you will also lose the ability to see when your connections are online or active. It's a trade-off, so weigh your needs before making your decision. Hopefully this has made your LinkedIn experience smoother and more aligned with your privacy preferences. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks to optimize your LinkedIn and social media experiences. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day on LinkedIn.